Forcing out your frustration. Just say a word. Keep on staring at the page.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kristen, and obviously you're here for the Simply Earth unboxing for the October box. All right, let's jump in. I really haven't taken a huge peek at this yet, but I am super excited because it's fall, y'all, and that's what it says as soon as I open it. It's fall, y'all. How cool. So anyways, Simply Earth, I'm going to be unboxing the recipe box. So if you guys are new and have not seen a video like this before, you get 4 full-sized oils, and then you get some little accessories and items to make your DIY recipes with essential oils. Your first purchase on the Simply Earth recipe box, you get a bonus box which has all the roller balls. It has all the oils that you will need, carrier oils to make recipes. Beeswax, it's super fun. I love receiving these every single month. I think they are fun, and I use essential oils on a day-to-day basis, and it's just like a lifestyle. So once you get hooked on essential oils, you will not go back. I make my cleaners with these. I make all kinds of stuff, and you can make these recipes multiple times. So this isn't just a one-time box. I also love that Simply Earth gives back. So 13% of all of their purchases, 13% of that goes back into Stop and Fight Human Trafficking. I think that is amazing. You receive this every single month. It's $39 a month for a box. And also, the first time you sign up for the recipe box, you get a $40 gift card if you use my code. It's KRISTINKAYFREE. So you get 40 bucks to spend it on whatever essential oil or products that you want on their website. So even better. So pretty much you spend 39 bucks the first month. You get a free bonus box. You get a free $40 gift card. That's pretty awesome if you ask me. So the essential oils in this month's box is eucalyptus, breathe easy, autumn air, and mandarin. I'm super excited about the autumn air one because this one has lemon, orange, balsam fir, hoe wood, and cassia essential oil. So it has to smell amazing. Diffuser Blend for a fall aroma, and you can use it in DIY cleaning recipes. Yes, it's as amazing as I thought it would be. It smells like air. It smells like fall, fresh air. All right, so you get this emulsifying wax as well. This is, what is this? Vegetable glycerin. And then you just get a little spray bottle. So we'll be making something. You get 6 recipes as well. These are the little recipe cards. You also receive stickers so you can label everything. Okay, so it's fall, y'all. This is an essential oil blend. So if you have a diffuser, I definitely highly get a diffuser first, because I love diffusing oils because it makes my house smell amazing. Yes, there is oils that you cannot use around your pets. There's also there's also oils you shouldn't reuse around your children. But the one thing that I love about Simply Earth is on the back side, it says child safe, and it says 2+. Definitely look eucalyptus. I will tell you right now that you should not use eucalyptus around your animals. Like, don't do it. Especially if it's in a small confined area. I think if you just use 1 to 2 drops and diffuse it through your whole house, I don't really think it's a big deal. But I don't know, I don't diffuse it regardless, just because I'm not 100% sure. So I do not diffuse eucalyptus around my pets. Okay, so anyways, I kind of just got out of line there, I guess. I just wanted to let you guys know, because I know a lot of people are like, you can't diffuse oils around your pets. If it says not to, I just don't. No matter how big of an area I'm diffusing in. So anyways, we got, it's fall, y'all. So we got a diffuser blend, the best natural lotion recipe. So this is what the glycerin is for, and the emulsifying wax, and you need the beeswax, almond oil, and that all comes in your bonus box. So super fun. Muscle soothing roll-on. I actually could probably definitely use this. So this one you need the coconut oil, eucalyptus, mandarin, and a roller ball. So like I said, you get all that stuff when you sign up. Cleansing foot soak, you need the coconut oil, autumn air, and eucalyptus in a jar. So there's some things that you don't get, like you're not going to receive a jar, but I mean, everyone has something at home. Or the Dollar Tree has it. I mean, either way. This one is natural hydrating body spray. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then exfoliating body polish. So those are the 6 recipes that you get for the October box, and you get some really amazing oils. I actually really like eucalyptus, but the Breathe Easy one, I'm actually really, oh, it has fir needle in it. I'm not a big pine person, but I think that if you were stuffed up, this would definitely help 100%. And mandarin's like a straight up like orange smell, so who doesn't love that? And diffusing mandarin and orange in my house makes my whole house smell absolutely amazing. Okay, so that's what everything is in the box for October, and now I'm going to make some recipes. Alright, so as you guys know, or you may not know, when I start out with my Simply Earth recipe boxes, I love starting with the Diffuser Blend first. I just think it just makes everything smell so nice, so then I can get going with the other recipes. This one is called It's a Fall, Y'all, and you just need 3 drops of the Autumn Air Essential Oil Blend and 2 drops of the Mandarin Essential Oil and 1 drop of the Breathe Easy Essential Oil Blend, and that is it. And I purchased my diffuser at Walmart. I've had it for quite a while and I absolutely love it. They are, I think, around $24. I think that is a pretty good deal for a diffuser because they seem to last for years. This next one I'm going to be doing is this Muscle Soothing Roll-On. I love doing roll-ons. They're just really fast and easy. So if you are new to blending essential oils, I just love this recipe box, and I love so many of the blends and roll-ons that they do. I think every single recipe box I've probably made the roll-on and love them. And so I feel like I'm getting really old, and I feel like this is necessary, especially when the kids like to jump off things and I have to catch them. It has been, I think this like muscle soothing roll-on will be great. This one you need coconut oil, 2 drops of eucalyptus, 4 drops of mandarin, and then just one of these little roll-on bottles, and this comes with your bonus box. And you always want to add the oils first and then the carry oil next. And the last recipe that I want to make is this exfoliating body polish. I was pretty curious about this one. You'll need a 1/4 cup of almond oil, 4 teaspoons of the emulsifying wax, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 10 drops of mandarin essential oil, and 5 drops of the Autumn Air. So I just go by whatever the recipe says at the bottom. It gives great instructions. It tells you to use a double boiler, but I always just use my microwave. So it says to start out using a 1/4 cup of almond oil, sticking it in this bowl, and adding the 4 teaspoons of this wax. And then once I added that, I did put it in the microwave with increments of 20 seconds until all of this wax was completely melted. And it did take probably about just over a minute, and that worked out really well. And then once I took it out of the microwave, I decided to let it cool. It does say let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes, so I thought I would get my sugar ready, so when that was time to add, I could just dump it in instead of wait. I feel like the faster and more prepared you are for things like this, then the wax won't like harden or anything. But I think this wax is not supposed to harden. Obviously it's not like a candle, you're making more of a body lotion. I've never used it before, but the way it feels like an hour after, because when I put it on, it was still pretty warm, and I don't think it's supposed to look like that. But like I said, once I waited over an hour, it felt just like a nice like lotiony moisturizer. So yeah, definitely just wait a little while for it to set. But I'm just mixing everything together, and then I just dumped it in this little glass bowl or this little glass jar I had. And yeah, and that's it. This is so simple. I love these recipe boxes because the instructions are amazing, and it only takes a half hour or so to make these recipes. So that's super fun, and it's a fun little weekend project, and that's what I decided to do on my Saturday. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed another one of these Simply Earth recipe box unboxing / DIYing. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life.